Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how to unlink your Steam account from your Epic Games account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure you can do this yourself and this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is make sure you have opened up the Epic Games launcher if you haven't already. After opening up Epic Games guys and logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the games that you have on your Epic Games launcher and account and all the games that you can buy in the store. So guys, if you want to unlink your Steam account, it's very easy, and the first thing you want to do guys is go right here into the upper right corner where your profile picture is. Here guys, click on this icon right here, and now this will give you a new drop down that will enable you to access some settings such as achievements, settings, your account info, and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and click this third option right here called account. So guys, go ahead and click on account, and now this will open up a new external tab in your Internet Explorer that will bring you to the official Epic Games website and will log into your account and will enable you to edit your account info. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options for editing your account, such as account settings, email preferences, payment management, and so on. So guys, what we want to do is go ahead and find this option right here called apps and accounts. So guys, go ahead and click on apps and accounts, and now this will open up this new page right here where you'll be able to manage all the apps and accounts connected to your account. So guys, we do not need the apps option right now. What we want to do is go ahead right here to accounts, and now guys, this will bring you to this page that will show you all the websites that your account can be linked to. And as you can see here guys, here is the Steam option, and here currently I do not have my account connected to Steam. But guys, if you are already connected to Steam, then this will not appear as connect, but it will appear as a disconnect button or an unlink button, depending on what version you're using of the Epic Games. But yeah guys, all you want to do is click the disconnect button that will appear here, and it will give you confirmation that you're sure that you want to disconnect it. And after that guys, after confirming, just click yes, and then you will successfully unlink your account from your Steam. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.